My name is Olivier Girardot. I'm a sound designer and music composer. So what I want to show you today are two different boat sound effects, rowboats to be precise. One that I've made completely artificially and one that is an actual rowboat recording that I did myself. I want to see what you think, which one you think sounds better, which one you think sounds more realistic, and which one you would choose for your own project. So here we go, let's listen to both of them. I'm not going to tell you at first which one is which. Here's the first one. And let's listen to the second one now. So, which one's real, which one's fake? I'll tell you that at the end. First, I'm going to show you how I did both. So let's go, let's have a look. First of all, I'm going to show you the real recording. What I did is I went out and rented a boat on a small lake, and I recorded in different angles, inside the boat, near the paddles, in front of the boat, at the rear of the boat, etc. Here's a couple of the recordings I did. First one is from inside the boat, so here it goes, basically. Yeah, that's it. This is the sound of the paddles, so I recorded just near the paddles in the water. And here's how it sounds all together. Now I'm going to show you how I created from scratch my fake rowboat sound effect. Here we go. So first of all, I used a recording of someone walking in the water, and it goes like this. So this would be the general background sounds inside the boat. You can hear there's much more water and water sounds than in the real recording. But that's kind of the point, actually. And then I added other water sounds to make paddle sounds in the water. Like, for instance, this one, here. I used several different sounds with some variations in the sounds of the paddle. And this was also recorded completely separately in a different place, in a water pond, from what I remember. Here I recreated the sound of the boat, bumping sounds, squeaking sounds, etc., etc. So here's one of the sounds that I've recorded indoors this time, in my bathtub to be precise. You know, things like this. This is a recording of a cupboard door squeaking. I added this to recreate the sound of the hull of the boat that squeaks sometimes, to make it more realistic. This last track, I used a folding screen to recreate the friction sounds, and it goes like this. So basically, that's it. The result is something like this. Which one do you like best? The real rowboats? Or the fake one? That's it. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe, like this video and comment below Tell me which one you prefer, which one sounds better to you, and we'll see you soon. Bye bye.